Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A74, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using, let's just say, this page right here. So once it's open, what you want to do is hold power key and the volume down. Both keys at the same time. You'll get this animation right here, and we have two different things that we can do. We can swipe up to share and swipe down to make a scrollable screenshot, which isn't accessible on here because there is no scrollable content. Now also, once it disappears, it gives us this pop-up right here that we can perform a screenshot with 3 fingers by swiping down. We've also 3-finger hold to capture an area and 3-finger swipe all the way down to capture a scrollable instantly. Now honestly, the 3-finger swipe down is fine. The last one for swiping all the way down to capture a scrollable one, I would recommend you not to try this. It is very finicky, and most of the time it doesn't work because you basically need to hold both of the fingers at the same line and swipe them off of the screen basically at the same time. So if you don't do it correctly, it just doesn't work. It captures a normal screenshot instead of a scrollable one. So it's just going to be much easier to try to do this and then swipe down for a scrollable instead. So anyway, I'm also going to go into the settings just so I have some scrollable content and showcase the scrollable option. So swipe down, 3 fingers, then take the icon that it captured, swipe it down, and as you can see, it automatically starts sliding down. And from here you can tap on it to stop it from sliding down, and you can also do it yourself however far down you want. Once you're satisfied, click on the check mark. It will then show you how it looks like entirely, so you can tap on the check mark right here as well, and this will save it. And from here, the screenshots that we've captured can be found in our photo gallery. So we can go into the albums, screenshots, and there are the 3 screenshots. That's where they are located. So this is the scrollable one. This is the one that I captured with 3 fingers, and then there is the normal one with power key and volume down. And this is how you capture them and where you can find them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.